My name is Nitesh Sharda at Jodhpur, Gopi Krishna Vihar. I am in FMCG business, distribution house we have in all over Rajasthan. I heard about Fenesta from my cousin, and then I visited the showroom on Pal Road, Jodhpur, and met with Mr. Harsh. So that's the way we have started. Mainly the reason to install Fenesta windows is to keep away from the daily maintenance of the wooden windows. That's the main reason we have opted for aluminum windows. Sound insulation is very good. That was best part of Fenesta, and service was also very good. Whenever we call Mr. Harsh, we got service in around 24-48 hours for our any problems. I will again want to use Fenesta in our any next project, surely, because I like the sales team, the product, the quality, all terms. In all terms, it's good.